All right, let's do it, girlfriend.
Okay, Dad.
Hey.
That's it!
What is up, guys? Welcome to today's episode of REKT. This might be one of the most dangerous things I think we've done on here.
Pretty dangerous.
Here on REKT, yeah.
Jeez.
Oh, this feels so insane.
Yeah.
Oh! Did somebody order a spatula?
There it is!
As you can see up here, we have a completely normal home fan, you know, with razor blades on it. This is Woods, this is Connor. We're gonna be launching different things over these barriers to see how much damage this fan will do. Don't try this at home whatsoever. We have someone back here that's gonna be turning it on and turning it off for us.
Gunnar, there's no one back there.
What did I tell you about not being back there, Pat? All right, ready?
No.
Dude, this doesn't even look ready. I'm assuming those are nailed down, right? Are they?
That's a good assumption,
Okay,
brother.
everyone get behind barriers.
Don't worry, Chuck built this, not Gunnar.
Okay.
I mean, I put the razor blades on.
Great. Those are gonna go flying off.
All right, ready? All right, plugging it in.
Gosh. How do we know if it's at full capacity?
Watch something just go, just like the blade fly off.
All right.
It looks really stable. Stand
All right,
by.
ready?
Yep.
It opened it.
Yeah, it did open it.
Can confirm it opened.
It opened the bag, yeah. We have a slice opened. It sliced it open.
Did it slice any of the?
It did not.
Try cranberry.
Aw.
How do you eat
What are those,
cranberries?
pomegranates?
They're very tart though, like incredibly. They're not as good in that form. Yeah, see, no one likes them.
Oh, I thought that was a razor blade. Oh my
actually
gosh,
scared
why
me.
you scare me so much?
All right, we're sending it again.
All right, send it.
That was so fun.
All right.
Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me.
All right, ready? I'm starting the fan. Get behind barriers. All right, I think we're good. Go for it.
Oh! That was a good little yeet.
That was a good little yeet right there, boy.
Those are cranberries?
Yeah.
I thought cranberries were dried.
All right, 3, 2,
Am I finally a part of the REKT family now?
1. Fan, turn it on.
How did I get this lettuce?
All right, you got it.
All right, hit with a yeet.
Yeah, it went in between. Pretty impressive. Let us continue. That was stupid.
All right, ready?
Yep. Father hates you.
What? Same thing? Okay, bananas. All right.
You're just gonna throw the bundle in there, huh?
You guys should throw multiples.
I'll aim for the left side of the.
I'll aim for.
All right,
I'm gonna aim for
1, 2, 3. I mean, I put the razor blades on.
Great. Those are gonna go flying off.
That was kind of terrifying.
Yeah, none of them got cut. It just hit it.
Is this the highest setting?
Yeah. Let's do the flower next.
I think it's gonna fly flour all over the place.
Flowers don't fly, Connor.
I'm not excited for this.
I'm gonna do left side, you do right side.
3, 2, 1, go.
I knew it. Oh! Oh my gosh! I was legit right here, and it's just like it was almost gonna hit me in the head, dude. That was so scary. Grab my wieners.
Grab your bundle of wieners. Okay, let's do these.
Somebody throw a couple single wieners, okay?
Okay.
And the rest in the pack. Oh no, my wiener.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go.
Oh.
That was good. Throw the rest.
Throw all the wieners.
rest.
Throw them. I want to see wieners fly.
Bundle the wiener for the each of us. 3, 2, 1.
One of them literally hit the camera.
It is two.
We'll get one.
Oh.
What hit
It was
him?
a wiener. I threw it out.
3, 2.
Wait, I'm not even ready, you fools. I'm sorry, I called you fools.
That's not PC now in this day and age.
Okay, Braz.
Ready? 3, 2. Okay.
Oh! Hit that! Hit it! Hit it!
Dude, mine hit like 3 times and then sliced it.
All right. What's next?
Eggs, Hawaiian Punch, Cheerios, and rice.
What? You look like a toddler trying to pick something up.
Somebody's raw banana totally made it right through.
Oh, it was Woods's, I think. Okay, that's kind of disturbing. Okay.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah, that's on Woods. Woods is throwing rice in there.
Ready?
3, 2,
Yeah.
1.
Oh!
I'm so sorry, Matt.
Oh, dude, it is everywhere.
Dude, it is.
Oh my gosh.
Now.
Oh, I caught that somehow.
Somehow.
Oh, shoot. Highway to
Can I just say that went through the fan blades? That went through the fan blades and hit
my
me.
camera. Next one.
Grab an egg, children. Grab 2.
All right,
All right. Stand by.
ready? 3, 2, 1.
I missed.
Yeah, it's like
one of them did.
There's stuff flying off of the
Yeah,
edge.
that's still flying. You can
highway to the.
Oh, wait.
Oh, no.
Wait. I'm not filming. What are you doing?
We already did flower slow motion. I don't care.
That was a great one.
Was it?
It went all over the camera.
Oh, poopsie.
Gunner's a bully. Hey, who else hates Gunner?
Yeah. I
Ah, make some noise. I hate Gunner. Just kidding.
Are we doing the Cheerios next?
Wait, I gotta have some more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Connor, can I have some Cheerios?
Oh.
Got him.
This is for the B movie.
It looks like a healthy breakfast on the floor.
It looks like
Balanced diet.
highway to the slow-mo zone. All right, Hawaiian Punch in 3.
All right. Let's do it, girlfriend.
Okay, Dad.
Oh gosh.
Press it!
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the slow-mo coming back every once in a while, and we enjoyed throwing things into this fan. Check out that video right there because that's a video that YouTube will recommend for you. Also check out this video. Thank you for watching. Sarah and Follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Hi5 REKT for the possible chance of a shout out just like her. Get right.